Will the destruction star really hit Earth in 2029? According to scientists' predictions, asteroid Apophis could crash into our planet in 2029. The asteroid is over 300 meters in diameter. It weighs 20 million tons. If there is a collision, it will release 64 trillion kilojoules of energy, equivalent to 1.53 billion tons of ladder-equivalent explosive power. That is to say, its power even more than 100,000 little Hiroshima boy. So China scientists gave him a dreadful name. Ghost star as early as June 19, 2004. A NASA asteroid. The research team discovered this asteroid number 99942 after more than 200 observations. Scientists estimate that it could hit the Earth multiple times because Apophis goes around. The semi-major axis of the Sun is less than 1 astronomical unit. Circular period 323 days. Every time it approaches and leaves the Sun, 7 orbits will intersect Earth's orbit. It approaches the Earth approximately every 7 years. In the original computational model, Apophis, the probability of a collision with Earth in 2029 is to 0.7%. It's a terrifying number. You know, the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs 65 million years ago. The probability of hitting the Earth is also far lower than that. The news will be announced to the world soon. But at that time, the eyes of the world are focused on the Indian Ocean, attracted by the super tsunami. It did not initially attract the attention of the media and the public. Since then, scientists have investigated Apophis again, conducted continuous tracking and iteration. The final given probability of impact is 1 in 100,000. Despite this, there is still a certain chance that he will hit the Earth. Even scientists' estimates are not 100% accurate. In addition, according to the Russian Federation, forecasts from the Institute of Emergencies, it is expected to be on April 13, 2029. Ghost star will rise from above the Earth, 31,000 kilometers high. This height is even higher than many man-made. The altitude of the satellite is even lower. You know, there are a lot of asteroids around the Earth. As soon as anyone collides with Apophis, it is possible to change its direction and then turned around and ran towards the Earth, causing a catastrophic thickness that the Earth cannot bear. But we don't have to be afraid. China has launched an asteroid defense system. It is bound to escort the Earth in the future. Let's move bricks with peace of mind.